Hi everyone, good morning. Myself here, Richard here, and we've got our patient, our lovely patient all the way from Sabah, KK. First of all, I'd like to thank you for choosing Clinic Dr. Inder to do your procedure. Okay, so Richard and me are very happy that patient has chosen the right clinic to do the procedure. So today's procedure is lowering the hairline. Patient always have a very broad forehead, always wanted to do this. Finally found the right clinic and the right person to give in touch. There was Richard to give her the confidence to let her tell her that this is the right way to go. So Richard, congratulations to you. Yes. So Richard will continue answering all the further questions as we go along, so that patients will feel comfortable, because this journey is 1 year down the road to see the end result. So once again, thumbs up to my patient, to Richard, and to me and my team who's going to do the procedure today.